action.
This is Toby. Toby, what do you want to do? He's a little shy.
Yeah. This is probably the only time you'd catch me talking and catch another person on the show. Hey, why don't we move on to
He's
Chico?
sleepy. Let's go to Chico, the Hyperman.
The devil dog. Actually, this little guy, he's the rare kind of color you won't typically find in a Chihuahua breed. His color is fawn, and take a look at him. He's fawn. He's all fawn. He's fawn to the bone. Look, even his butt's fawn. Look up. Isn't that cute?
Toby, your breath stinks.
Let's move on to Chico.
Okay, then let's move.
Chico. There's a devil dog in this cave. Chico. Come on, Chico. Come on, why didn't you come out? Come on, why didn't you come out?
Oops.
Come on, why didn't you come out?
What's that? It's like water stuff.
It's wee. Chico? Hi,
It's so little wee, Chico.
It's not his wee. It's probably his. Yeah, maybe. Hi, Chico. Or maybe Slick. His dude or something. Come on, it's a devil dog.
It's an angel dog.
It's coming down from heaven.
What's happening to you? You weren't like this a while ago.
See you next time, guys. Goodbye. Goodbye, Toby. Wanna say bye? Wanna say bye? Wanna say bye?
Goodbye. Goodbye, kiss.
Goodbye.